Most people think that to be successful, you have to be the loudest person in the room. You tell everyone your plans, your big moves, and your goals for the year. But here's the truth. You're leaking power. Every time you reveal your next move, you lose the element of surprise. You give your competition a roadmap to stop you. So today, we're diving into the 48 laws of power, specifically Law 17, to show you how to stage a massive comeback by doing the one thing most people find impossible, keeping them in suspense. By always saying less than necessary, Robert Greene writes that the more you say, the more common you appear, and the less in control. If you want to be successful, you need to cultivate an air of unpredictability. When you are predictable, you are easy to manipulate. When you stop explaining yourself, people start speculating. That suspense creates a vacuum that you can fill with whatever image you want. The rules of the comeback: 1. Stop the progress reports. No more hustle posts on Instagram. 2. Vagueness is your friend. If asked what you're up to, give a short, confident answer, like, I'm focusing on some internal shifts. Period. 3. Let results speak. A comeback is only powerful if it seems to happen overnight to the outside world, even if it took you months of silent work. Let's look at one of the greatest suspense comeback in history, Napoleon Bonaparte. In 1814, Napoleon was defeated and exiled to the island of Elba. His enemies thought he was finished. He was has-been. For months, he played the part of quiet, defeated emperor tending to his small island. But while the world stopped looking at him, he was watching them. He knew the new French government was failing. In 1815, he vanished from Elba. He didn't send a manifesto. He just showed up on the shores of France. As he marched toward Paris, the king sent an army to stop him. Instead of fighting, Napoleon walked out alone and said, "If there is any among you who would kill his emperor, here I am." Because he had been silent for so long, his presence was overwhelming. The army didn't fire, they joined him. He took back empire without firing a single shot. That is the power of a calculated return. You don't need an empire to do this. You just need a shadow phase. Step 1. Identify where you are oversharing. Is it LinkedIn? Is it your family? Cut the feed. Step 2. Work in the dark. If you're starting a business or learning a skill, do it until you are at least 70% toward your goal before mentioning it. Step 3. Use the pause. In meetings or negotiations, wait 3 seconds before answering. Success isn't just about working hard. It's about controlling how the world premieres that work. When you keep people in suspense, you aren't just a person working a job. You become a force of nature they can't quite figure out. Stop talking, start plotting. Let the comeback be the first time they hear from. If you made it this far of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.